In this video, I will demonstrate a new strategy to make money online using PayPal. This method allows you to earn money for every click you generate. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Imagine getting paid for every click you generate. Well, I have fantastic news for you. This strategy is not only new, but it's also completely free and available worldwide. But before we delve into the details, I request one thing from you. Drop a comment below mentioning the name of your country. This will help me tailor content specifically for your region. So go ahead and share your country in the comments. Additionally, make sure to stick around until the end because I have a special bonus for you. I'll provide a free tool that automates the process, enabling you to earn from those clicks passively. Let's get started. Gold mines. First and foremost, let me assure you that this strategy works globally. As you can see, everyone can participate. Regardless of your location, you can engage in this program and start earning money within minutes. The best part is that you don't need to sell anything, and it's not an affiliate program requiring signups or payments. All you need to do is generate clicks. This method offers one of the easiest ways to make money online on complete autopilot, creating a passive income stream for you. Now let's discuss the concept. Instead of using Google as our default search engine, we will utilize EntireWeb.com for this strategy. EntireWeb.com is a free search engine similar to Google. The key difference is that EntireWeb.com will pay you for each click. Precisely, you'll receive 20 cents per click or $4 for 20 clicks. The reason for these payments is that EntireWeb.com aims to compete with Google and attract more users to their search engine. Since both search engines are free, most people would prefer using EntireWeb.com because of the 20 cents per click. It's an excellent deal considering it's entirely free, so it's crucial to seize this opportunity promptly. There's another website I'll introduce to you shortly. To begin, visit EntireWeb.com. Once there, click the menu button in the top right corner to reveal various categories such as home, services, free submission, SEO, ad market, affiliate, directory, advertise, and more. For this strategy, focus on the affiliate category. Don't worry, you don't have to sell anything. Your task is to encourage people who usually use Google to switch to EntireWeb.com. By referring people through your unique link, you'll earn 20 cents for every click they make. This potential is enormous since billions of people use Google daily. Referring just 100 people to this website can generate a significant passive income. Remember, you earn for every click, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor. The best part is that the conversion rate is high because the process is free and straightforward. People worldwide can join, and getting started is easy. Within minutes of signing up, you'll be up and running, earning money from your traffic. You'll learn how it works, navigate the dashboard, and understand how to withdraw your earnings. Before we proceed, an essential detail to note is that you'll receive payments through PayPal, and the minimum payout value is $50. Although it may seem like a substantial amount, reaching it is easily attainable with this website. Once you reach the threshold, you can instantly cash out and use the money as you wish. To start receiving clicks, grab your affiliate link from the top of the page. The link is crucial because each time someone clicks on it, you'll earn 20 cents. Your goal is to refer people to EntireWeb.com where they can browse the web just like they normally would with Google. Remember, you're not asking them to buy or pay for anything. They can try it for free and decide if it's better than Google. You'll continuously earn 20 cents for each click they make. To generate clicks, share your link on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, or with friends and family. This will undoubtedly bring you some clicks and earn you money. However, if you want to set this up on complete autopilot and potentially reach millions of clicks, I'll share a powerful strategy with you. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved this video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's move on to the autopilot strategy. Firstly, open Google Docs and create a blank document. Compose a brief article with a call to action for your special link leading people to EntireWeb.com. For example, you could write, "Better than Google? Try this new and free search engine called EntireWeb." Paste your affiliate link into the article. it's essential to emphasize that it's new and completely free to attract more people. Once you've written the article, select the File button at the top, select Download, and save it as a PDF document on your computer. Next, visit slideshare.net, a website visited by over 140 million people worldwide every month. With your article, you have the potential to reach a vast audience. The best part is that sharing your article on SlideShare is free. Sign up for an account, which takes less than 60 seconds. After signing in, click on the Upload button, select your PDF document, wait for it to load, and give it a title. Write a brief description and include your affiliate link in the description to maximize clicks. Choose a relevant category, set the privacy to public, and add relevant tags. Finally, click Publish. Now your article has the potential to reach over 140 million people, exposing them to entireweb.com. Meanwhile, you'll earn 20 cents for each click you generate. Remember, you can earn a passive income for free using this website. To make $1,000, you only need 5,000 clicks, which is attainable considering people only need to click your link and use the free search engine just like they normally would with Google. Seize this opportunity and start making money as soon as possible. It's one of the easiest ways to create a passive income stream online. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.